How to download and install Life 360 app on Android. Want to stay connected with family and friends in real time? Whether it's for safety or just peace of mind, Life 360 is the perfect app to keep everyone in the loop. Hi guys, this is Rose and I'll show you how to install Life 360 on your Android device in just a few simple steps. So without further ado, let's get started. Open Google Play Store on your Android phone. Tap search icon at bottom right. Tap search bar at top of your screen. Now type in Life 360 and tap on search icon on your keyboard. Make sure you choose the correct Life 360 app from the search result and then tap on install button. You need to wait for the download to complete. Once installed, you can easily tap open and follow the set of instructions to create an account and start using the app. Make sure you have stable Wi-Fi or mobile data connection for a quick and smooth installation. And that's it. You can successfully install and download Life 360 app on Android using this method. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.